Got it. This GoPro's on. You don't have to touch on it.
Is it a nut or anything? Nut or not?
Slime pickle.
What is that?
Reel your rod all the way up, Josh.
Pike. Put your hand in his teeth.
Let me get it.
You got anything to say to the camera? Except that you're bleeding where I hooked you? Alright. First pike.
Looks about, I don't know.
Yeah,
He's gone.
First catch.
Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. He went fast.
You don't have the casting skills like me. Look at that. Right in the flush. Right where the bow fin is.
I hope you catch one. Listen, I want you guys to catch fish.
I want me to catch fish too.
I just couldn't get a skunk. Somebody had to catch one.
Trust me, I ain't gonna get skunk.
Do you trust them, Josh? You got it. GoPro, start recording. That's the fish that probably bit my tail off. Pike.
I want to get the net.
Yep.
Whoa.
Oh no, it's a bass.
Oh, it's a pike. It's a pretty long one too. Oh no, it's a bowfin.
It's a bowfin.
It's a bowfin.
You just said it. And you caught a bowfin. Look at how proud he is. Look how happy he is with that line up.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Cameron caught a bowfin. Take one of the other ones. Leave this one up.
It's a new fish.
And just hit the
Pretty
record
long,
button
too.
on the top and then take that.
How do I hold that?
All right, whichever.
Anyway, or?
Just they have teeth, so
Yeah.
I don't know. I've never caught one, so here you go. Bowfin for Cameron.
Easy there, Tiger.
Here's your pliers. Okay, bowfin boy, hold on.
Damn, he swallowed that thing.
Yeah, see if I can get this on. Oh, he's only got one hook in him. And I am putting my freaking finger right in his mouth for a second there. There it is.
Now what do
Grab
I
the fish grip.
I want the top of there.
Top of the lip.
You hold it.
Yep, go.
21 3/4.
22.
No, 20. Oh yeah.
22. You got to go to the back of the
Yeah.
tail.
Yeah, just give me a
22.
Holder.
345.
340.
Oh, 350.
350.
It went up to 350.
Dang.
All right, you ready? You gonna take
I'll just
pictures with them?
Yeah, we'll keep them on there.
Cameron got a bowfin. Look at that. There it is.
Good.
Yeah, I got a couple.
There you go. There it goes. Oh, not yet.
Oh.
Give it a second.
Yeah, we're just rolling it over.
No business touching this thing.
GoPro, start recording.
Yeah, got it. GoPro, start recording.
Oh, bass.
Smallmouth?
Large.
Damn it. Because you guys are in the front of the boat.
Yeah, you want? I'll go in the back.
You come in the front. Then you're going to catch one at the back of the boat.
It's a largemouth. It's not real big, but it's a largemouth. So there we go.
That one's on too.
Okay, largemouth. Time to let him go. There it goes. Even I get lucky. It's a nice bass. Come on, get it out. Nice, Cameron. That's a nice bass. That is a nice sized largemouth. Look at that.
It didn't bite. It just swallowed it.
Could have been mine.
Snap the line. Look at that. Cam got a large. Come on, be a man. Get that hook up. You can do it. Like that, right? You try. Get that. Got it.
Go. Let it go. I'm gonna say 3-7.
2, just under 3.
255.
I said 2.7, right?
17 and a half.
Yeah, 255's right. 255, 17 and a half.
Yeah, it is pretty scary.
Grab him. Got him.
Got him. Alright, hurry up, Josh. Good?
Yep.
Thank you.
I know, but you're letting the frog sit for way too long.
There we go. Largemouth, not bad. Time to let him go. Okay, largemouth. Letting him go on the black frog. Okay, ready? And there he goes. Yep. See ya. GoPro, start recording.
Oh, it's bit me. Oh, GoPro, start recording.
Oh, decent bass. Decent largemouth.
You can cut off.
Huh?
Maybe next year.
What'd you say?
Maybe next year. There's always next year.
There we go. Alright. Decent largemouth. Not bad. We're not weighing them.
Shit, I would wait if I was mine. That's my new PB.
That would be your PB, right? Maybe. Well, maybe.
Yeah, it would. PB was under a pound.
No, it wasn't.
Was it? What was it like?
It was 148.
There it goes. Here we go. Hi, this is an outro for a video that Cameron, Josh, and I shot at the river a while back. Before we went into the river, it was a little bit somber. The private lake that I go to, my cousin Danny owned a house on that lake. We were talking about it. Danny had passed, and as we were discussing that before we launched, Cameron said, you know, why don't we do something for Danny today? Let's catch something different. And he told me he was going to catch a bowfin, which none of us have ever caught. So we started in this little arm of the river, and I got things going with a chain pickerel, which I kept referring to as a pike like I did in my last video. I didn't realize there were pickerel in the river, but there are, and it was a chain pickerel, not a pike. So 10 minutes before this, Cameron's telling me he's going to catch a bowfin, which none of us have ever done. And sure enough, on the frog, Cameron hooks up, thinks he has a pike, gets it close to the boat, and he still said it was a pike. But then finally we see it's a bowfin. We net it, we get it in, get the hook out. Cameron held it up. He was so proud. He was so happy. We tried not to say anything on camera, but he did it for Danny. Pretty impressive. So after that, I caught my first, that pickerel by the way, on a G-Crack Bellowgill swimmer. I then catch a largemouth bass a little bit further in the same section on that Bellowgill swimmer. And then we decided that we were going to move to a cove, a different area. So we got on the motor, went up river, went to a cove. And in that cove, Cameron started things off there with a largemouth bass on the frog. Then I caught my second largemouth bass there. This one was on a frog. Then you'll see Cameron in the video missed a largemouth on the frog. And then the last fish of the night I caught, it was already dark, a third largemouth on the frog. It's pretty dark when we're leaving. I'm sure you've seen the video, you'll see the fireworks as we're leaving the arm of the river into the main river. And that was the end of this video. I'm still behind on videos. So the next video coming out, I'm not sure what it is yet. It might be Lake Champlain. But that video will be coming out shortly. Until then, see ya.